Today I am going to talk about Reiki. I am sure many of you are aware what is Reiki is. Few years ago it was very popular, but now we don't hear much about Reiki, but there are a lot of people who practice Reiki. I have been practicing Reiki for around 20 years, more than 20 years, practicing and teaching Reiki. And I feel it is a very beautiful technique which can be practiced by everyone, which is very simple, can be learned by anyone, also can be used for any purpose. Reiki is a Japanese system of healing. The founder of this Reiki is Master Mikao Usui, and Reiki means universal energy. So it is a system of working with the energy, the bioplasma. And this has to be practiced and taught by practiced after teaching by a Reiki master, and you need to get initiated by a Reiki master. The beautiful aspect of Reiki is it works physically. When you have health issues, you need to only place your hands on the symptoms of the body. For example, you have headache, you need to place your hands on the head area with the intention of passing on this Reiki energy. This Reiki energy has its own consciousness beyond our human thinking. So your mind do not do anything. The energy passes through you to the person or to yourself, and it flows the amount that is needed. When it's enough, it will stop by itself. That is the power of Reiki. Secondly, it works deeper. For example, somebody has headache. Maybe they have headache due to hypertension or stress or any other reason. When you apply Reiki, the person may become aware which is the right medicine for the person, or to relax the mind, or some guidance to help in that situation, and most of the time the headache may subside. So in this way, you are a person who is suffering with lot of problems, physical problems. So, and you have been taking medication for years together, and sometimes it may be incurable disease. You can apply this Reiki on yourself. It becomes complementary. It may help you to have the courage to go through those diseases. It may give you mental balance, emotional support, or to prevent you from having the side effects of the medicines, or to have the impact of the medicine in your body in a better way, or the diseases can be cured at a shorter period of time. That is the power of Reiki when you practice. So people who do not have any health issues, if you learn Reiki and practice, it will help you to start wherever you are. Sometimes people may have some emotional blocks. They are not able to express themselves, or they don't love enough, or they are not able to forgive others. They are very angry in nature, or they have talents, they are not able to utilize those talents. So Reiki will help you to release those blockages and lead you from lackness to abundance. What is your real purpose? Or what is that you are in need? It opens your minds, abilities, and connect you to right people. So learning Reiki is a very beautiful thing one can give to yourself as a gift. It is nothing to do with religion. Any person can learn Reiki. It is a spiritual energy of God. We have only one God. Even though we call God in different forms, whichever form you call, that's fine. But it's a very pure energy will flow through you and the healing will take place. So Reiki can be used at a distant healing because for the energy, place and the time is not the barrier. So people even program Reiki. For example, somebody is attending a meeting, you can program Reiki to be utilized at that meeting. So you will be well protected, or you have a right type of meeting. Or somebody is going through a surgery or going for a medical checkup, and many times wrong diagnosis can cause a lot of problems. But if you apply Reiki and get the guidance, you'll be able to have a right diagnosis, a right type of treatment. So that is called healing situations. Many of us have problems, maybe personal problems, problems with others, problems in our work, and we have been doing our best or maybe going for guidance. So Reiki can be used to heal those situations so that when the energy blocks are removed, you'll be able to be successful in your day-to-day life. So Reiki can be planned even for your future. For example, 2021, you can plan it, you can program it, you can energize whatever you are going to do throughout the year. So it is told, when you learn Reiki, your life is very, very fast. That means you may learn things better, you may use your talents, and so many changes. You lift your consciousness happens because you can use practice Reiki, you can have impact of this. So the greatest best gift that you can give to yourself, anyone can learn Reiki. It is not that you should be an educated person, children. When you have a desire to learn Reiki, definitely you can give as a gift to yourself. Let me share with you my experience with Reiki. When I came from Mangalore to Chennai, I was learning holistic health. So my director took me to a Reiki master, and they taught us some positions, keep the hands in this position, all that, and they initiated us, and they asked us to practice Reiki. I thought it's all like I am a Catholic Christian, and I did not believe in all these things because I was so used to treat ourselves with the allopathy type of treatment. But I learned. Then one day I was having headache. So sister in charge told me, you practice Reiki. I practiced, and to my surprise my headache had gone. So I thought there is something, and I started to practice Reiki 21 days daily. I used to practice those steps, and I found myself being so happy. I could finish my work faster, and there is a lot of brightness in me. And that's how I started liking Reiki, and by the time I had learned so many healing systems. So people ask me, you give Reiki, and they could find wonderful experiences. So that's how I learned Reiki, and today I am here to share, to tell you there is something beautiful in life. It's something called Reiki, and you can practice it, you can benefit from it, and you can make use of the gift of Reiki. And many people have a fear. Will there be side effects, or will I take other people's problems? Nothing like that. You need not do healing for others, because sometimes, since it is energy work, when you treat others and you don't clean the energy aspect, clean your hands of that, Sometimes you may have some hand pain, all that. You may feel tired because by using your mind you may lose some energy. The best thing is you don't do healing for others, maybe to your family members and to yourself. And when you learn, you can use it anytime, even in the night you're sick or you're very tired. You can simply thank God for this energy and lie down and help yourself. So any time of the day you can practice Reiki, and it's very easy to learn. Only the steps, hand positions. So when you learn the method that is taught to you and you take initiation, and you are able to get benefited from Reiki. Thank you.